Stuffed pasta, a delicious Italian specialty. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the delicious world of stuffed pasta. This is a term you might have heard in Italian cuisine. And today, we're going to explore what it means, its varieties, and a bit about its history. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about new terms, this video is for you. Stuffed pasta is a type of pasta that is filled with various ingredients. Unlike regular pasta, which is typically served with sauce on top, stuffed pasta has its fillings encased within the pasta dough. The fillings can include a variety of ingredients such as cheese, meats, vegetables, or even seafood. Some popular examples of stuffed pasta are ravioli, tortellini, and cannelloni. The history of stuffed pasta is fascinating and deeply rooted in Italian cuisine. It dates back to the Middle Ages, where it was a dish enjoyed by the nobility. The concept of filling pasta with other ingredients was a novel way to combine flavors and textures. Each region in Italy has its own variation, showcasing the diversity and creativity of Italian cooking. Making stuffed pasta involves a few steps. First, the pasta dough is rolled out into thin sheets. Then, small portions of filling are placed on the dough. The dough is then folded or shaped to encase the filling, creating various forms like squares for ravioli or rings for tortellini. This process is both an art and a science, requiring skill to ensure the pasta is perfectly sealed and cooks evenly. Let's explore some popular types of stuffed pasta. Ravioli. Square or round pockets filled with cheese, meat, or vegetables. Tortellini. Small ring-shaped pasta, traditionally filled with a mix of meat and cheese. Cannelloni. Large cylindrical pasta, filled with meat or cheese, and baked in a sauce. I hope this video has given you a tasty insight into the world of stuffed pasta. This Italian specialty is not just a meal. It's a celebration of culture, history, and culinary art. Try out different varieties and who knows, you might find a new favorite dish. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning.